Watch what happens to that voltage when I go to try to start it. It should stay there or drop down to about 11, which is still good. Okay, what did it do?
It dropped down to about 11.9.
All right, now this is how we're going to do a voltage drop. As I said, there's got to be a ground from the engine because the starter is grounded to the engine, and they got to be ground from the engine to the body. So what we're going to do is take our ground probe here, and you want to hook it on to anywhere metal on the engine. And it's a good idea to try to like down